Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram.
Oh Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare.
Oh Hare Krishna,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare
शिलोपाद परमहंस प्रजाचार्य अष्टपृष्ठ श्री श्रीमदेसी भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी महाराज श्री प्रभुपाद जी जाओ विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रजाचार्य अष्टपृष्ठ श्री श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती महाराज श्री प्रभुपाद जी की
जय
अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की
जय
इस्कॉन डिविटी फाउंडर आचार्य श्री प्रभुपाद जी की
जय
नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की
जय
प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंज राधा कुंज गिरि गोविंद धाम श्री वृंदावन मथुरा धाम श्री मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम जगन्नाथ पुरी धाम
जय
गंगा माई यमुना माई की
जय
भक्ति देवी तुलसी महारानी की
जय
श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय
श्री श्री गौर निताई की
जय
श्री गोपी जन वल्लभ की
जय
शिला प्रभुपाद की
जय
गौर प्रेमानंद
हरि बोल हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण
श्री गुरु
Goes to Shishi Guru Prabhupada. You want to sing Namaste?
नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रह्लाद नाद नाई हिरण्यकाशी पूर्वक्षः शीलतं खानाय श्री नरसिंहदेव भगवान की, भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की, श्री प्रभुपाद के निताई गौर प्रेमानंद हरि।
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Now we should look like that we had ecstatic kirtan. Anyone who did not enjoy kirtan? Is anyone who enjoyed kirtan?
Haribo.
Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for your wonderful ecstatic kirtan. We don't have words to describe, so I'll request Yugal Kishore Prabhu to introduce you, Prabhuji. I don't have qualification. Before we get to the next amazing, another next level of kirtan, very, important and couple of quick announcements. 1st August, right? It's 2 weeks down the road, right? 1st August. Do you know what's happening 1st August? We have Kids Rath Yatra starting 11 a.m. right here in ISKCON Farmington Hills. So Rath is being prepared, a lot of festivities are being planned, so please block your calendar and do not miss this wonderful opportunity to invite Shri Jagannath Ji Baldevi Subhadra Maharani in your hearts. And also 30th August, we are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami. So it's not a weekend, so please block your calendar. If you want to apply for out of office, this is the perfect time if you have not done already, right? So please do so. Now I won't take, I know you're not gathered here to listen to me, so I'll request Yugal Kishore Prabhu to please initiate the next phase. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Thank you very much for coming and attending the Sunday Fest programs and for the events. We are very grateful and honored to have this grace coming program like this program. And more important, Jagat Guru Prabhu. Prabhu, last time we classed during COVID, online, but probably you're seeing him here, like 1.5 years ago. So after 1.5 years of standstillness, we are seeing illustrious personalities here by the mercy of their Lordship Shraddha Gopachananda. As Shri Gopal Prabhu said, how many of you enjoyed Kirtan? Loud Harival. That conveys the message. So, actually, Param Prabhu and Gaurav Ji are not new to ISKCON Michigan, actually. Without them, there is no Rath Yatra. Year after year, we see them in Rath Yatra. How many of you heard Param Prabhu Kirtan Rath Yatra, and after the program, Mataji's Kirtan? How many of you heard? So then you don't need introduction. You guys know we all took part in the Kirtans during and after Rath Yatra program. During Rath Yatra program and after Rath Yatra in the tent. However, I have a small introduction, but before that, some of you may not know Jagat Prabhu. We all know Jagat Prabhu is a temple president, but you should know Jagat Prabhu and his company, they are the one who renovated this building. So we are here because of Jagat Prabhu. So he was also one of the pujaris during the installation of Radha Gopachananda, and he's also, as one of the old people, who was also presiding on the installation. And this guy Jagat Prabhu Ki. He was initiated in 1982. First batch of initiation of Gopal Krishna Maharaj. And if you ask me, probably is one of the most, is one of the best presidents who have run the ISKCON temple for the longest period of time in America. difficult it is, but he only knows how difficult it is. You know, and I know Balaji is the niece of Jagadish Prabhu, but actually I'm reading something wonderful here. You know, connected with Paraprabhu during Rath Yatra a couple of years ago. And I want to tell you before I read from this, especially Americans, especially Indians, they are all very worried about the future. Can you imagine? You know, they are both grahasthas. They are not single. They are actually children. I think a couple of years ago you said Bhargavi is going to get married. I don't know if she's already married or not. Okay, she got married. So very soon they become grandparents.
Kishori.
But do you know this?
Kishori.
They're not making this up. They're not opening this up.
I hope you know.
No. They travel city to city. They will drown ever in the ocean of holiness. And they depend on Krishna. Actually, if you have little attraction, as a single, it's very easy to do that. But you all know, as well as this, how difficult it is. Because end of the month, you need to pay bills, right? But having full faith in Krishna, they jumped. They gave up everything and jumped. And probably should ask him after my introduction, did you ever face any difficulty in your life after having made the decision once? Definitely would say no, and Matthew would say no. Right? So I don't take this time as very precious. You know, Grammy Award nominated for 58 Grammy Awards. Her Grace Gauravani Devi is one of the first. She's the first female spiritual singer to represent India's rich heritage through bhakti music in America. More than that, at age 4, she performed her first grand public kirtan performance in America. She traveled extensively in America, Canada, and India, sharing the divine holy names of the Lord. She completed her studies at ISKCON Gurukul. At the age 18, she decided to go to Vrindavan. In 1996, Her Grace Gauravani Devi and His Grace Param Prabhu celebrated 108 Rath festivals in the honor of the 100th centennial celebration of Srila Prabhupada. This was just the beginning of their spiritual tours with their international family and children. Her Grace Kanadas and His Grace Kanadas and Her Grace Kumari Radhe. On the social media, they have reached over 45 million engaged followers. 455 million views on Facebook for their extra kirtan. So you should know you are with somebody who has international fame. So honor them, on that capacity. And as well-known public figure, His Grace Param Prabhu and Her Grace Gauravani Mataji regularly draw crowds of more than 40,000 people for her public kirtans and kathas. For the past 10 years, she has traveled and that's how it goes. She has traveled and sang at over 300 cities worldwide, including New York, Bali, Trinidad, Thunder Bay, San Francisco, Dubai, Lithuania, Sydney, and Colombia. They preach Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam daily through their live discourses and satsang. Thousands of Krishna lovers are inspired daily through Madhurji teachings and have changed their lives to live in peace, and harmony with the blessings of Krishna's holy name.
Hare Krishna.
A couple of years ago, he said, we depend on Krishna, we travel city to city, and we just spread the holy names. How amazing and wonderful and sanctified it is to dedicate a life to Krishna consciousness with the whole family, right? No anxiety. So, what is that? If you make the choice, if you take one step, Krishna will take 10 steps. So, Prabhuji, we are very honored and grateful. Thank you very much. Yadru, can you say 2-3 lines which I don't know about the, you know, that from Deva? You know?
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So actually, I'm very fortunate to be here in the presence of all the four of them, because they are Brajavasis. They bring Sri Vrindavan Dham right here for all of us, and you'll experience that just by the kirtan and the melodies and the heartfelt singing. Param Prabhu is one of the leader at Krishna Balaram Temple who is taking responsibility to conduct the festivals. If you have seen both festivals there, he is the one who is kind of in charge and make sure Radha Shyam Sundar, they get the best boat ride in the courtyard of Krishna Balaram Temple. Gaurmani Devidasi, naturally, she is my daughter, so what can I say? But among all people I depend on her so that she can take me back home to Vrindavan. And Kana, he just said as soon as he saw me that I just came to see you to Michigan. So that much he loves me, and actually I love him also the most. And Radhe is the greatest gift from Srimati Radharani to all our family members here, the fountain of love and joy which you all will experience also, especially if you go on her website and her Facebook and Instagram, you'll also experience. She's just following the footsteps of her father and mother in the sweetest possible way. Thank you so much. I'll consider all of us very fortunate to have association with wonderful Brajvasis. Take advantage. Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Jai! Jai! Kana.
Kana Prabhu and Radhe Matsiki. Jai!
Honors be here.
Please.
No, I'm good here.
Yeah, there's a chair.
Please.
No, I like full. I like full.
Yeah, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Can I give this to you? Hare Krishna.